Hi, For Life Philippines. I'm Eileen Tandario, General Manager for Life Research here in the Philippines. And today in this video, gusto po nating matutunan o malaman po ng lahat ng For Life Philippine affiliates kung paano po nila maximize yung ating napaka-generous na promotion, which is the Fast Start Restart. Dahil meron lang po tayong 2 buwan, September 2025 and October 2025 para po join dito sa Fast Start Restart program natin. So before anything else, I would like to share my slides para po mas maintindihan talaga natin itong Fast Start Restart. Okay? So bago po tayo pumunta sa Fast Start Restart, we are all familiar with the Fast Start. At itong Fast Start ay para po sa ating mga new affiliates, right? Wala pong nagbago, walang pagbabago sa benefits ng Fast Start para sa ating mga new affiliates. So if they break rank, they will continue to receive the rank advancement benefits and the double builder bonus for the first time that they qualified. So for example, meron po tayong new affiliate last July, right? Nag-sign up siya. Ang first purchase niya ay 400 LP. Pwedeng 400 LP na pinili niyang produkto or pwede rin po yung Fast Start Pack. Okay, so dahil siya ay nag-sign up bilang Fast Start, he or she has 12 months from July 2025 to July 2026. Every time na magbe-break rank siya mula sa Diamond, Diamond Elite, Presidential, Presidential Elite, Bronze, Bronze Elite, Silver, Silver Elite, up until Gold, within that 12-month period, they will be receiving the Fast Start bonus. Walang pinagbago po dyan. At of course, if they qualify for the first time, okay, sa Builder Bonus Level 1 or Level 2, or level 3, they will be receiving double builder bonus. Wala pong pinagbago. So maaring, just as a recap, di ba? Yung mga affiliates din natin, let's say July siya nag-sign up with 150 LP dahil hindi niya pa masyadong maintindihan yung Fast Start. They have the ability to upgrade to Fast Start in the month of August and September, right? By purchasing Fast Start Pack. So let's say July 15, nag-sign up siya with first purchase with 150 LP. Pagdating ng August, bumili siya ng Fast Start Pack. Then, he or she is already in the Fast Start, pero the first month is still the first month of purchase, which is July. So walang pinagbago po dyan. Pero ang pinakamagandang balita para sa mga new affiliates natin, mga bagong affiliates, mas pinadali na ng For Life makasali ang lahat sa Fast Start. Dahil dati it has to be either on your first purchase, 400 LP single receipt, right? Ng pinili mong produkto or Fast Start Pack. Or pag mag-a-upgrade ka, dapat Fast Start Pack. Ngayon po, okay, starting September 1 para sa new affiliates natin. Okay? You have the ability to join the Fast Start through multiple purchases within a calendar month. So, ibig sabihin, let's say, for example, in this illustration, August 8, bumili siya ng isang lotion, which is the first purchase, right? So, naging napakaganda ng resulta sa kanya. Pagdating ng September, sabi niya, magpa-fast start ako. Dapat dun sa dati, kailangan nang bilhin niya fast start pack para ma-upgrade siya to the Fast Start program. Pero starting September 1, all he or she needs to do is to have a total of 400 principal volume under their ID number. Kahit kung multiple purchases, qualified na siya sa Fast Start. For example, September 5, bumili po siya ng 150 LP na loyalty. Pagdating ng September 9, 100 LP. Nakabenta siya sa My Shop. Pagdating ng September 29, nag-online order siya ng 50 LP. Pagdating ng September 30, may 100 LP regular order siya over the counter. Kung susuma, totalin po natin lahat ng purchase niya in the month of September. That is total of 400 LP. And because nakaabot po siya ng 400 LP, he or she is already qualified for the fast start. Pero ang kanyang fast start period still starts on the first purchase, which is August. So August 2025 hanggang August 2026. So pwede na po yung multiple purchases. Pero marami po akong naririnig. Sabi, bakit papatagalin? Di ba? So, mas madali nga naman kung single receipt purchase 400 LP. So, ngayon ho, kahit anong 400 LP na purchase, pwede na ring gamitin para ma-upgrade or mag-sign in sa Fast Start. And of course, because our Rapid Rewards is also follows the 3-month cycle, pareho po nung time na pwede mag-upgrade sa Fast Start. So the enroller will still receive in the month of September a total, pag sinuma total mo rin yung Rapid Reward na matatanggap niya, 5,600 pesos pa rin. Less 10% withholding tax. Right? Okay, so that's really exciting news para sa mga bagong sign-ups natin. Mas madali na po talaga na maging part ng Fast Start. Pero marami po kaming naririnig sa ating mga affiliates. Sabi nila, paano naman kami? Tapos na yung Fast Start period namin. We have been in the company for more than a year. Yung iba po, nag-Fast Start. Especially nung nagkaroon tayo ng opt-in period, nung nilaunch yung program, I believe that was 2 years ago. Sabi nila, meron po bang chance na makasali kami ulit sa Fast Start? Okay? So, this is the answer to that. 4Life is giving you the opportunity to earn cash bonuses through the Fast Start Restart. Okay? So, this is for existing affiliates. So, meaning, June 2025 hanggang June 2006. Lahat po na affiliates nag-sign up sa 4Life, June 2025 pababa. Pwede po dito. Bakit June 2025 pababa? Kasi kung July ka nag-sign up, at ang first purchase ka ng July, pwede ka pa doon sa Fast Start Original, yung kaninang diniscuss ko. So now, how do you join the Fast Start Restart? First of all is the promo period to join the Fast Start Restart is only September 2025 or October 2025. 2 buwan lang ang opportunity mo makasali sa Fast Start Restart. So, paano ka naman sasali sa Fast Start Restart? Very simple. All you need to do is have a 400 LP single receipt, okay? Or multiple orders. Pwede rin ho. Basta mag-total ng 400 LP in either September or October, pasok ka na sa Fast Start Restart. So ano yung example natin? So example number 1, September 5, nag-loyalty order. September 9, nag-100 LP My Shop order. September 29, 50 LP online order. September 30, 100 LP regular order. So kung susuma totalin mo yung orders nitong affiliate na to from September 5 to September 30, that is a total of 400 LP principal volume. So he or she is already signed in automatically in the Fast Start Restart. So ang kanyang magiging promo period ay September 2025 up until September 2026. That is a 12-month period. Right? So tandaan natin, di ba? Pag more than 100 LP ang purchase mo in a month and you are already an existing affiliate, yung sabi ko June 2025 and below, meron ka pang instant discount dun sa 300 LP na purchase mo. So talagang incentive on top of incentive na yan. Another example is, let's say, meron tayong affiliate. Ngayong September 18, nag-loyalty order siya 150 LP. So, hindi niya pa nababalitaan yung fast start, restart. Pagdating na October, nung Halloween, last day, October 31, doon niya lang nabalitaan yung fast start, restart. At sabi niya, gusto kong sumali sa fast start, restart. He or she can make a 400 LP single receipt. Pwede yung fast start pack, pwedeng pumili siya ng produkto, basta 400 LP, one-time single receipt purchase, pasok pa rin siya sa fast start, restart. So ang kanyang magiging promo period ng fast start, restart will be from October 2025 to October 2026, which is a 12-month period. Alright? So ano naman yung benefits pag naging fast start, restart, qualifier ka na? So sa builder bonus, double builder bonus, wala pong pagkakaiba. If it is your first time to qualify for builder bonus level 1, you, instead of receiving 2,800, you will be receiving 5,600 pesos. Double builder bonus. Kung first time mo magka-qualify sa level 2, dahil ikaw ay fast start, restart qualifier na, instead of 11,200, you will receive 22,400 for the first time you qualify for level 2. For level 3, okay, first time mo magka-qualify for level 3, anytime within the 12-month period na naka-fast start, restart ka, instead of receiving 44,800, you will be receiving 89,600 on the first time you qualify for level 3 builder bonus. Right? So walang pinagkaiba sa ating existing na fast start para sa new affiliates. Parehong-pareho yung double builder bonus benefits. Remember, yung builder bonus po natin is not cumulative. So ibig sabihin, kung meron ka na skip, ang matatanggap mo lang na double builder bonus ay yung pinakamataas na level na na-qualify mo. Same as, pareho rin po yan sa fast start na pang new affiliates natin. So dito lang po nagkakaroon ng slight difference, okay, sa fast start, restart versus sa fast start for new affiliates sa rank advancement incentive. Bakit nga naman, 'di ba? Kasi of course, if you are a new affiliate, bagong sign up ka lang in the month of, let's say, September, you start out, wala ka pang group, wala ka pang kahit na isang downline. Aaralin mo pa lang yung mga presentation, aaralin mo pa lang yung product. Of course, talagang pag nag-break rank ka sa Diamond, okay, Diamond Elite, Presidential Elite, that is truly bronze elite, silver elite, gold, that's truly an achievement. That's why kung new affiliate sila on the fast start, they receive the full bonus. Pero kung existing affiliate ka na, let's say you have been in 4Life for the past 2 years, meron ka ng pondo na tao, right? May pondo ka na knowledge, meaning meron ka ng for the past 2 years, you have been learning. For the past 2 years, you already have an existing group of people. So it is so much easier for you to break to Diamond Elite, Presidential Elite. So ang pagkakaiba ng fast start for new affiliate at fast start restart is when an affiliate is on the fast start restart, yung mga existing affiliates natin, when they break rank to Diamond, on the month that they break rank, they will receive 50% of the cash incentive. Okay, 50%. Pero anytime na mag-maintain sila in the 12-month period that they are on the fast start restart, they will again receive the remaining 50%. So pwede pa rin pala nila matanggap yung full bonus. They just need to maintain the rank that they broke into at least 1 month. Diba? Imagine kung walang fast start restart, pag nag-break rank ka sa Diamond at hindi ka na part ng fast start, you will be receiving our local incentive na 14,000 pesos worth of products, pero wala ng cash incentive. Right? Ngayon, with the Fast Start Restart, meron ng cash incentive. You can receive 50% of the rank advancement bonus on the month you break rank, and the remaining 50% on the second time you maintain that rank within the Fast Start Restart incentive period. So, tignan po natin kung ano ang itsura niyan pag ginawa po nating example. Right? So, let's say example number 1. In the month of September, merong presidential affiliate. So, September 1 pa lang, existing na presidential affiliate na siya. At hindi siya, he or she, dahil existing affiliate siya, ibig sabihin, June 2025 below, hindi siya naka-fast start for new affiliate. Okay? Hindi na siya, paso na siya doon. Kaya sumama siya, nag-sign up siya for fast start, restart. Okay? And in that same month, because they were so excited, okay, her team was so excited, sa buwan ng September 2025, nag-join siya ng Fast Start Restart. In the same month, nag-break rank siya ng Presidential Elite. Wow, right? So, ano ang marireceive niya? Kung walang fast start, restart, at hindi siya naka-fast start, tapos na yung fast start period niya, he or she will receive the products and the points for the Great Escape. Okay? Pero, dahil sa merong fast start, restart, meron pa siyang additional cash bonus na 21,000, which is 50% of the rank advancement incentive. Okay? So, aside from the cash, for the month 1, meron siyang 14,000 pesos worth of products plus 1 point for Great Escape Presidential Elite. In this example, wag nyo naman sana sundan tong example na to. Kasi, dito sa example na to, October 2025 to August 2026, so 11 months, hindi niya na-maintain yung Presidential Elite. Sayang naman, hindi siya nakapag-Great Escape, di ba? Pero let's say that happened. The next time na na-maintain niya yung Presidential Elite was 1 year after, which is September 2026. Okay? Nag-break rank siya September 2025, 1 year after, sa anniversary month, September 2026, dun lang ulit siya nag-maintain ng Presidential Elite. Because it is the second time na-maintain niya yung rank na yan at pasok pa sa fast start, restart timetable, matatanggap niya po yung remaining na 21,000 na cash bonus. So, ibig sabihin, natanggap niya pa rin yung 42,000 na total cash bonus for the rank of Presidential Elite. Diba? Sobrang exciting. Another example is, we have to remember, yung double builder bonus hindi cumulative. Pero yung rank advancement incentive, cumulative yan for fast start, new affiliates, and for fast start, restart, which is for the existing affiliates. So how does that look like if we turn that into an example? Right? So, example number 2, we are illustrating the rank advancement bonus that rank advancement bonuses are cumulative. So let's say in the month of September, itong affiliate na to ay existing affiliate, diamond affiliate na siya, simula ng September 1. Nag-join siya ng fast start, restart. Pero in the month of September, paid as diamond lang siya. Hindi pa siya nagbe-break lang kasi bumubuelo pa siya. Pero pagdating ng October 2025, which is the next month, sobrang na-excite yung buong team niya kaya nag-break rank siya. Hindi sa Diamond Elite, hindi sa Presidential, hindi sa Presidential Elite, kundi tumalon siya from Diamond direct to Bronze. Wow! So what will he or she receive? Okay? He or she will receive month 1, ng Diamond Elite cash incentive dahil na-break rank na yun, nalakpasan niya. Presidential Elite, 50% din, 14,000. Presidential rather, 14,000. Presidential Elite, 50%, 21,000. And bronze, 28,000, 58%. So in that month alone, October, dahil lahat ng nalakpasan niyang rank, ibibigay pa rin po yung 50% ng month 1. So ang total na cash incentive niya for breaking rank from diamond straight to bronze is 71,400. So walang sayang, di ba? Ibig sabihin, natanggap niya pa rin yung incentives. Plus, meron pa siyang 26,000 pesos worth of products. So sa cash and products pa lang, almost 100,000 na, right? Tapos meron pa siyang 1 point sa Diamond Holiday kasi counted yung counted to as Diamond Elite. And meron pa siyang 1 point sa Great Escape Presidential kasi counted din yan for Presidential Great Escape. So let's say, ano naman mangyayari kung after that, mag-maintain pa siya kasi month 1 lang yun. We just illustrated na cumulative. Paano kung cumulative? Tapos mag-maintain din siya in the future month. So dito tayo sa example number 3. Example number 3 na to ha. For example, this affiliate is an existing affiliate, diamond na siya. Okay? Nag-join siya ng Fast Start Restart in the month of September 2025. And in the same month, nag-break rank lang siya Diamond Elite, which is yung immediately the rank after, right? So anong matatanggap niya in the month of September? Matatanggap niya yung 8,400, which is the 50% ng Diamond Elite cash incentive for rank advancement. Makakatanggap din siya ng 14,000 pesos worth of products from 4Life Philippines at makakatanggap din siya ng 1 point ng Diamond Holiday. Pagdating ng October, talagang super na-excite yung buong team niya. From Diamond Elite nung September, tumalon siya directly to bronze. So ano naman ang matatanggap niya? Lahat ng nadaanan niya na rank, na tinalunan niya, matatanggap niya yung cash incentive. So month 2 ng Diamond Elite, matatanggap niya 8,400, which is the remaining 50%. So natanggap niya ni 100% ng Diamond Elite kasi month 1, month 2, right? Pero for October, month 1 pa lang ng presidential, 14,000 pesos, which is 50% of the presidential rank advancement incentive. Presidential Elite, 21,000, which is 50% of the rank advancement incentive, and bronze, 28,000 pesos, which is 50% of the rank advancement incentive. So total na na-receive niya pa rin for the month of October na cash is 71,400 plus yung 26,000 pesos worth of products. Meron siyang second point, isa pang point, pangalawa na Diamond Holiday for Diamond Elite rank, and isa pang first point niya sa Great Escape Presidential. So ituloy natin tong example number 3 na to sa mga susunod na buwan. Let's say in the month of November, medyo bumuelo ulit. Hindi niya na-maintain yung bronze. Ang na-maintain niya lang Diamond Elite. Makakatanggap pa rin siya ng 1 point sa ating 1 point sa ating Diamond Holiday. So nakakatatlo na siya. Ilan na kailangan sa Diamond Holiday? Diba? 4. So isa na lang kulang. Okay? 4 within 6 months. Right? So pagdating ng December, maintain lang siya ng Diamond. So walang cash incentive kasi nagamit niya na yung sa Diamond Elite. At Diamond naman siya nung nagsimula siya nung September sa Fast Start Restart. Pero pagdating ng January, bumawi. Nag-maintain siya ng Presidential Elite. So ano ang marireceive niya? Marireceive niya yung month 2 ng Presidential kasi nalakpasan niya pa rin, di ba? At month 2 ng Presidential Elite na 50% cash incentive. So essentially, na-receive na niya yung 100% ng Presidential, 100% ng Presidential Elite. So in that month, nag-maintain siya ng Presidential Elite, total cash incentive is 35,000. Plus, meron siyang 24,000 pesos ulit na products for the Presidential Elite rank, Meron siyang isa pang point ng Diamond Holiday. So, naka-apat na siya. Qualified na siya sa Diamond Holiday at meron siyang pangalawang point. Okay? Second point for the Great Escape Presidential. Pagdating ng February, itong affiliate na to, nag-maintain lang siya ng presidential. Wala nang cash incentive kasi na-receive niya na yung both month 1 and month 2 ng presidential and presidential elite noong January. Pero dahil nag-maintain siya ng presidential noong February, qualified na siya sa Great Escape. Dahil kailan po siya nag-break rank ng bronze? Diba? Month of October, November, December, January, February. So pasok sa 6 months. And because our Great Escape is sequential, presidential elite muna ang qualification ng pwede niyang i-qualify, right? So let's say from March to August 2026, ang na-maintain niya lang presidential elite or below, na natanggap niya na lahat ng mga incentives for that, right? So, kailan niya ulit na-maintain yung bronze? Di ba? Kailan siya nag-break rank ng bronze? October 2025. So, halos 11 months. Dahil September 2026 is still his or her last month on the fast start, restart, at nag-maintain siya ng bronze, marireceive niya pa rin yung month 2 na cash incentive ng bronze, which is 28,000 pesos. Kaya talagang super grabe ang pagka-generous na nitong ating fast start, restart. Meron din naman nagtatanong sa akin, sabi nila, paano na ako? Naka-fast start ako ngayon, pero patapos na yung fast start ko. Pwede po ba ako sumali sa fast start, restart kahit na naka-fast start original pa ako? The answer is definitely yes. Okay? So, even if you are an existing affiliate na naka-fast start original ka ngayon, you can extend your fast start qualification to the fast start restart by opting in or buying 400 LP either in September or October. Then it extends your qualification period. So, paano ba yan? Para mas malinaw, tignan natin tong example na ito. Okay? Example, okay? Let's say, itong new sign up, nag-start siya sa fast start niya nung January, this year, 2025. So, ibig sabihin ng fast start original niya for new affiliate, okay, is January 2025 until January 2026, 12-month period, right? So, every time that he or she will be breaking rank from January 2025 hanggang January 2026, they will be receiving the fast start cash incentive for new affiliates, which is the full amount. Pero pagdating ng October 2025, nag-400 LP siya para mag-rejoin siya sa fast start, restart. So ano yung impact, ano yung implication nun sa kanyang fast start? No? So remember, yung January 2025 to January 2026, he or she will receive 100% every time nag-break rank siya. From February, dapat tapos na yung fast start niya, di ba? Pero nag-opt-in siya noong October. So, mangyayari, February 2026, the month na matatapos yung kanyang fast start, papasok na siya ngayon sa fast start, restart, hanggang October 2026. So, essentially, na-extend yung kanyang fast start to fast start, restart for another 9 months. So, mula February 2026 hanggang October 2026, every time he or she will be breaking to higher ranks within that time period, matatanggap niya yung 50% at pag na-maintain niya, second month, matatanggap niya yung remaining 50%. Doon na siya sa fast start, restart from February 2026 to October 2026 dahil tapos na yung 1 year na fast start niya. So, essentially, 1 year, 12 months siya sa fast start for new affiliates, another 9 months sa fast start, restart. So, that's a total of 12 plus 9. Tama ba? 21 months. Almost 2 years right? So they have almost 2 years to receive cash incentives every time they break rank. So we hope that you can download our slides from our Facebook uh, guides on the Fast Start Restart. Kung gusto nyo pa pong mas maintindihan at mas matutunan itong Fast Start Restart at saka yung ating bagong update sa paano po tayo makakasali uh, sa Fast Start through multiple orders. So, definitely, we will be doing more trainings, pero we certainly hope that this video helps you kasi at least this video you can watch over and over again, and then you can reach out to us here at the Manila office or to our training team kung meron pa po tayong mga katanungan or gustong malinawan sa Fast Start Restart. So again, we are very excited and we are looking forward to everyone, all of our affiliates, participating in the Fast Start Restart and breaking to higher ranks in the next 12 months. So again, I'm Eileen Tandario for 4Life Philippines. Thank you for watching this video.